Hey everyone, and welcome to Shuriken Skills number 52 here in the Work Smarter Not Harder dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka the Design Ninja. This Shuriken skill is to learn how to turn some of your amazing brushes into erasers in Photoshop, as I've done here with this logo device matted down onto the wood texture underneath. So I'm going to turn off that layer and turn off the layer underneath, which is the starting point for this. It's a graphic pasted from Illustrator and set to overlay and at 100% here. You can tune that to be however soft you would like that to be. In fact, I'm going to bring that down to about 79 because I think that's even better. Now, I'd ordinarily use a layer mask to hide parts of this, but there are times where you want to do a bit of erasing or a little bit more drawing on top of a graphic that's already there. So I'm going to tap B on my keyboard to get my brush tool and just check that I do actually have the brush. And of course, Creative Cloud subscribers get access to all of the amazing Kyle Webster brushes. So I'm going to use a couple of those here. In fact, if I go for Crazy Cracks just here, and you can see there's a small icon showing me it's a brush icon. And if I select that and maybe just dial the size on that down, so I'm going to hold down Control and Alt or Option and then just drag to do that. And then paint in with some of the actual color from here. So I'm going to hold down the Alt or Option key, sample some of that and just disrupt the edges slightly just in a few places here and just tune that however much I want to, like so, just to make it so it's not quite so crisp in every single area. Really wear it down just a little bit, as it would be of course in the real world. And once you've done that, you might want to actually break this up a bit so it's still a little bit regular throughout that. And the way to do it is this: hold down Shift and Alt or Option and tap R, which takes you into the clear blend mode. And then your brush works as an eraser. And you see if I come along here, I can start to remove some of that. And that will work with just about any brush. And of course, you can change the amount that that's applied by changing the flow, of course, at the top just to reduce it. And that's your new Shuriken skill to practice. Let me know if you've enjoyed the tutorial. And Alicia, do you have advice for people new to the Design Ninja channel?
Subscribe today and hit the bell for notifications.
Excellent. So there you are. Until next time, see ya.